Hey guys, what the hell is up? Alright, so I used to film videos all the time. Not that I was big or anything, but here on this channel I would film all the time. I had a bunch of videos. I deleted them. They were terrible. Not that this one's gonna be any better, but I mean, I've always wanted to do YouTube, so I'm gonna try again. I got this in the mail, this box, and I was like, you know what, why don't I just film an unboxing? I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate if anyone even watches this video. I don't really care. Like I said though, I haven't done this in a while, so I'm probably gonna forget or like just be weird about some things, but oh well. Let's get into this unboxing. Like, it's been so hard not to open this box since I got it. My scissors. I am pretty much a makeup amateur. I mean, I'd say actually I'm pretty decent. I don't know everything. I apply makeup really weird, I think, but I still usually like what I come up with. I really didn't get into makeup until about like 6 months ago, and like I've been really into it. I don't wear it every day, but like I have an appreciation for it, definitely. Oh my god, what is this? This bubble wrap is like cute. This is great. This is a great time. My cats will love this. So when I went to order this on the site, they said that I believe it was the first 250 customers that order the Sabrina palette will get a little bag or whatever. I don't know if I was or not. I don't know if you can see this like lacy. I'm guessing that's the bag. Wait, no, it's not. No, it's not. No, because I saw the bag. Like it had a bunch of like little, I'll have to look on Instagram. I'll insert a picture of the bag, which I did not get. Here this is, and it's beautiful. I love this lace situation we got going on. I really do. It's so pretty. I've never I've never actually got anything like from, I have NYX products, but I've never actually gotten anything directly from their site or anything like that. And it won't come out. Wow, great. Okay. So pretty and cute. I love it. Bitch. Oh my god. Alright, can we just take a minute to look at these stickers? I love stickers. I'm probably not going to use these. They're probably going to be displayed. You say which? Like it's a bad thing. There it is. Fucking Spellbook. Oh, look at this little Salem down here, you guys. Oh my god. Alright, so it's saying that some of these shades are press pigment. They can't be used on or around the eye. And it just indicates which ones those are. That glare is friggin' terrible. Ooh, oh my god. It looks so pretty.
I'm looking like a ghost right now.
It looks like, obviously they're not all shimmer like shades, but it all looks lighter and brighter and more shimmery in person than it did on like Instagram. I'm just gonna take this off. I don't know how to take it off. That's what she said. Can you even say shit? Can I say anything that I've said for the past like 5 minutes on here anymore? Probably not. This video is gonna get flagged and I'm gonna, yeah, okay. Oh my god. It's so pretty, you guys. Oof, don't fold that back. Okay. I really love purple. The purple shades are literally killing me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love that. Is so Ambrose, that shade they did for him. Oh my god. These are face shades. The names are just badass. I want to attempt to do some swatches. We're gonna do a shimmery one and then a matte one. So I'm gonna do Limbo and Midwinter. Oof, that's smooth. Yes.
Okay, so let's see. I don't want to like mess it up.
Not as pigmented as I thought, but they're still like smooth and creamy, and I love them. I love NYX regardless of how well or how badly I am doing a review slash unboxing on this, so I have really good expectations, and even if it sucks, which I know it won't, it's gonna be awesome just displaying it. So the side over here says, for a look sure to enamor, cast a spell of bewitching glamour, embrace the night or behold the light, with the spellbook any match is right. So they put like example, for a popularity charm, you mix these 3 shades, and then there's like different things. That is so cool. Maybe I'll try them and maybe I'll do a look. Maybe I'll film it. I don't know. We'll see. And I think it's so cute. Escape Salem, obviously just plain black. I love the NYX products that I do have. I have some of their jumbo eye pencils. I have a few eyeshadows, some lip products I haven't used, but I mean, this bag is life though. Oh my god. Have you guys watched the 3rd season yet? I have watched 4 episodes. It's not what I was expecting. It's still good. Like, I'm not mad, but it's not what I was expecting. I don't know what I was expecting, but I still love it. Let me know what you guys thought of this video. I know that I gotta get like comfortable in front of a camera again because I'm just fucking awkward. Really just trying to ease myself back into the whole filming thing. So this is, like I said, something I really would like to do. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.